Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you quickly how to prepare this delicious pollo guisado, which is stewed chicken. This has potatoes, it has veggies in it. It's delicious, guys, and so easy to do. I'm going to be pairing this with some white rice and some sweet plantains. You can have this with whatever you want. So let me show you how quick and easy it is to prepare this delicious pollo guisado, stewed chicken. Come with me. Cheers.
Guys, here are your ingredients. I have some chicken legs. We're already seasoned. I have some chicken bouillon. I have some sazon. I have here some cilantro, red onions, bell peppers, garlic, bay leaf. This right here is yummy, yummy. I'm gonna use some potatoes as well. I have a cup of water. I have some adobo. I have some garlic and onion powder. I have these fancy pimientos, where I'm gonna use, not necessarily, but it's gonna give it a great flavor. Of course, I have tomato sauce, some sofrito, and some apple cider vinegar. This is gonna give this chicken a delicious taste. I have my chicken here, which is already seasoned. I am going to set my temperature at a number 4, which is a medium here on my end. You can use any type of dark chicken. I think it's perfect when you use that dark cut. I have chicken legs, so that's what I'm using. I added a cup of water. And again, my chicken is seasoned. I'm adding the sofrito. This is the apple cider vinegar. I'm adding now half a cup of tomato sauce. And I need to get with the program, guys. I need to do some homemade sofrito. Food tastes way better when you do your homemade sofrito, guys. I'm adding all my other ingredients. This right here is gonna give this chicken a delicious flavor, guys. So good. Listen, you can brown the chicken as well. Put a little bit of oil, brown it on each side. I'm skipping that. It's still gonna be so delicious. I'm gonna add these fancy pimientos I had here in the refrigerator. It's not necessary, guys. I have it. I'm gonna put it in here. It's gonna be delicious, guys. I have my chicken bouillon. This is gonna give the stewed chicken a extra chicken flavor. Of course, my sazon Goya. And guys, you can add so many things to this. You can do olives, you can do carrots. I'm just gonna add potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and just toss this around. And this is gonna cook for 40 minutes. If you notice, I haven't added the potatoes. I'm just gonna go ahead and cook this for maybe 10-15 minutes, and then I will add the potatoes, guys. I wanted to show you guys how pretty this looks. Just look at all the colors and the smell, guys. I wish you guys were here. Smell is divine. It's time to add my potatoes. You can add carrots, you can add olives. I'm not doing olives here on my end, or carrots. So if you like, go right ahead. I'm not doing the olives. We're not too olive friendly here in the house. But these potatoes are perfect. And this is it, guys. Look how beautiful this looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and my video, of course. Go ahead to my YouTube page, subscribe, hit the little bell so you guys don't miss out on videos. Thank you for the love, guys. Cheers.